Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we will learn how to view your Ulta Beauty Reward Points. We will also include a link to our favorite Ulta Beauty products in the description below. To start, go to the website ulta.com, then click on Join/Sign In on the upper middle part of the screen. A pop-up tab will then appear. On the fields provided, enter your email address and password. Once the email address and password are entered, click on Sign In. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon. Then, a pop-up tab will appear. On the pop-up tab, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Ulta Beauty Rewards. Here you will see your Ulta Beauty Reward Points. That's how you view your Ulta Beauty Reward Points. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.